All right, so we made it to the good old stomping ground, guys. It has been a while. It's good to be back. Holy smoke, it's been a while. I think it's been about a month since I've been back to the spot. And our brother Danny, he was here I think last week, and he said he did really good on smallies. So the goal here, if we catch a smallie, awesome. If we don't, that's awesome too. We're here to catch some bluegills. I was gonna bring a stringer to keep some fish, but I totally forgot about it. I can't keep any bluegills, but that's okay. We're just gonna go for a fish in. We're just out here to fish and have a good time. We are using red worm. You guys know red worm is awesome. And we're gonna see if we can execute for you guys today. It's probably not even that big either. If they hit like that and they just break the worm off, then they're pretty small. That's what I'm afraid of. Like, it's wasteful, you know? Got him. Oh, it's a giant bluegill. Oh my gosh. Giant bluegill, dude. Yeah. Dude, nice. Look how thick it is. Wow, dude. That is a thick, healthy bluegill. Get a picture of this guy. I would keep you, but I don't have any bucket with me today, so. That is a nice fish. Oh, geez. Ow, and he stabs me. It's okay. They always do that. As soon as you like hold them up to say something, they pop off. Okay, that's cool. That's what I'm looking for. Big bluegills. Got another one. Oh my goodness, they're stacked back there. That's what they were. Dude, they're so cool looking. Nice. Oh geez, and he falls off. Yes, you found him. Just had to get it away from the smallies, you know. I switched over to this pink jig head, and apparently they like it. So it's good. It's like they want the whole thing only. Got him. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. That's a runner. That's a big gill. It's a bluegill, I think. Gee, look at this thing. Holy smoke. Goodness. That's cool, man. Wow. Get a little 7-incher, which is really good for eating, you know, and they're thick. Freaking wide as heck, dude. Alright, see ya, buddy. There we go. Got a new piece of worm in here. There's a bunch of smallies blowing up right there. Got him. Yeah. There we go. Wow, you guys just wanted the whole piece, eh? Oh, chill. So, it's so colorful. Just like that. A whole piece of worm is always better. There's gotta be one giant one in here. Got him. Whoa, that's a big fish. That's a big fish, yep. That's a smallie, dude. Oh, it's a giant gill. What the heck? Dude, oh my gosh. The size of my net. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look how long it is. They're recording? Yep, I was recording. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but dude, that's a 9-incher. Look at this. Maybe 8, but it's really long. That's the thing. Oh, jeez. Almost went in. Okay, here we go. Gotta let them calm down for a little bit here. We get a picture. 8.5, maybe 9-inch, dude. Whoa, whoa, chill, chill. Relax. Look at that thing. Man, it's feisty. Alright guys, look at this nice big gill. Oh, oh, and it goes. See ya. Now that was cool. Yeah, like it wasn't tall, but it was like long. The tail of it's long, so I'm guessing like 8.5, maybe 9 inches. That is so cool. Wow. I knew they're here somewhere. I feel like I need to stand like over here. That way, like they don't know that I'm here, if that make any sense. I don't know. I think I just had to stand right here, blend with the trees or something. Oh, just got a nibble. Didn't take the whole thing though. Dang, probably took half of my worm. Still okay. Slow, guys. Just gotta get like way. Oh, almost got the tree. Dude, one of her baby got eaten. That's messed up. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, it's another nice gill. Sheesh. I'm watching a duck baby get eaten, and look at this. Look how they run. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a nice gill, man. Wow, look how fat and girthy it is. Holy smoke. Dude, now this is tall. This is a tall fish. Look how like wide they are. Nice back. Got a nice back, dude. All right, see ya, buddy. Got him. Oh, it's another nice one. Dude, that's crazy. It's another nice gill. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. I just let the other one go. I jigged this one back. Look how tall this one is too. Wow, man. Insane. Okay, insane. I was gonna say. Oh, we got one. Nice. Dude, there's a ton of them. Oh my gosh, look at this. Not that big, but they are fighters. They're stacked over there by that tree. Oh, geez, and it pops off. Good. They want to touch you anyways. Oh, so they want a jigging action, eh? Oh my dude, right away. I just let the other one go. Where did all these bluegills come from now? What the heck? I definitely want to eat some of y'all, but I didn't bring anything. Dang, okay, they're stacked there. I figured something out. Oh, geez, look at them. Dude, they're big. Oh my gosh. Some perfect eaters right here. Oh, okay. They want the jig. They want the pounding on the ground action, eh? Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Got him. He came back. That's a nice skill. Just a tugger. I'll take it. Still fun. Chill, chill. It's a tugger, but it's fun. Oh, gosh, little guy. Again. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, it's a big bluegill. Wow. Dude, they're all freaking quality fish, man. On a river like this. This is nice. Look at that. Just look at how pretty that is. Sheesh. I love river bluegills, man. They fight so hard. Ta-da! All right. Nice fish, nice fish. Oh, it's a smallie, that's why. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Yeah, keep running on that current. Get you tired out. Dude, it fights so hard. He's not even that big. He just fights hard. Oh, good fight, buddy. Good fight. Dude, they're so freaking chunky. It's crazy. Wow, you guys are feeding all right. Look at the stomach. Look at that. Fatty going back. Man. Got him. Yeah, we got him this time. Oh, jeez. Just a little guy. Oh, it's a largemouth. Oh, we got a largemouth. No wonder your pops are so loud. You got a large mouth. Man, you're a healthy fish. Oh, got a fish. Oh, it's a catfish. I knew it. I think it's a catfish. Yep, it's a catfish. Just spinning around like crazy. Oh, jeez. Late summer multi-species, eh? Ah, you are here. What's up, buddy? What's going on, my friend? I was looking for you. It's been a while. Holy cow, they're blowing up. Got him. It's a nice bluegill. Goodness. Gee, that's a nice bluegill. Oh, my goodness, man. That's insane. Look at that. You guys see that? That is a giant freaking bluegill, dude. Look how tall that is. Wow. Goodness. Absolute freaking tank. Really wish I brought my stringer. Wow. Beautiful fish. Holy smoke. Well, guys, that was cool. Caught a lot of fish. I went through all my 30 worms and got some nice bluegills. I was right. The water was up high. I gave it like 2-day or 3-day rest. The water went back down. All these big bluegills and smallies, largies, catfish, they're trapped in those pockets again. It was good. It was just good to be back and catch some fish in those areas. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's a boring intro, outro, because I am just, I don't know, I had nothing planned today. You know, just came out, did some pan fishing, give bass fishing a little rest, and just have a good time. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.